You are watching the lesson to learn the main features of the complexity map, one of the systemic design tools, whose purpose lies in the visual interpretation of relevant data and information acquired. The complexity map is the visual tool that helps designers and stakeholders talk and share ideas. It helps to understand how a system works, the connection within it, and spot the main challenges and opportunities. The aim is to create tangible artifacts as a sense-making tool among stakeholders and to highlight the multi-level dynamics. The first step in designing a complexity map is to figure out the boundaries within which the data analysis will be conducted. These boundaries may refer to territorial scale, national, regional, or local, or related to the company that needs to be analyzed, and the productive context where it operates. As previously mentioned, the gathering data is the starting point for the complexity map. This step must also be carefully planned in advance, establishing a structure that can guide both expert and non-expert in compiling a dataset for the strategic organization and subsequent visual interpretation of the collected data. In this lesson, we will look at how healthcare systems work on different levels, from individual patients to hospital management and even regional health policies. By mapping these levels, we can get a better grasp on how they interact and find out who is involved at each stage. In the healthcare sector, when looking at complexity maps, we mainly focus on categories that break down into smaller groups to dive into specific topics. For example, demographic data gives us a picture of the population in the area, showing things like birth rates, aging trends, educational level, and how people access to the healthcare. We also look at the macroeconomic data to understand where money is being invested in the healthcare, like training for staff or improving how hospitals run. In this process, stakeholders such as doctors, hospital staff, suppliers, administrators, and patients all play a crucial role in data collection. This is because sustainable transition requires co-design tools aimed at revealing the state-of-the-art and the real needs of those who live, work, and use the services within a given context. Representing the interconnection between components allows the visualization of critical points and synergies. If we consider a complexity map illustrating the flow of resources in an hospital, it can reveal waste related to the material and resources, as well as opportunities to optimize production and supply processes. So, creating a complexity map is not only helpful but essential for understanding complex systems and initiating processes for sustainable transition.